Hell yeah.
What's going on, everybody? Cuts by Reggie, back with another quick review. This ain't gonna take too long, shouldn't anyway. But today we are reviewing, before we get what we're reviewing, if you like my videos, thumbs up them. If you dislike them, thumbs down them. Comment, like, subscribe, share, all the good stuff, right? But today we have a special, a different kind of tool that would actually be kind of odd to some barbers, not because it's something like crazy. It's just a corded clipper. This is the Power Ryde from Gamma. They actually sent this to me. They actually have a trimmer, which is the Power Cruiser. I bought this a couple of weeks ago, about a week ago, but we're not going to talk about that too much. That'll be sometime later. But today, the Power Ryde, the corded clipper. We could read some of the back. What we got? 45 millimeter blade made with high quality Japanese steel, powerful professional magnetic motor, floating lever, 10-foot cord. Comes with 5 guards. It comes with the single magnetic guards from Gamma. I actually did not use these. I like the double magnetics from Gamma. So those are what I've been using for all of my clippers, the walls, the JRLs, the everything. If it takes those guards, I'm going to use them. They are perfect guards, except for the half guard. It's like Wall Premium Guards has like the best half guard, in my opinion. It's like thin, it cuts, it's perfect, right? But with that, you do get the single magnetics. You get your oil, your brush, and then you also get a screwdriver. It's all that beeping. They working on something out there. But you get your Gamma screwdriver, right? There is nowhere to even plug this up at to get a sound. At least I don't think. But this is the machine. I'm talking about, it feels like a tank. Heavy duty, gets the job. I mean, this is like, if you're still into, so we got a couple barbers here who's not into the cordless. They still like to use the corded clippers, which makes sense to some degree. You like to make sure you're not running out of power. You don't have to worry about anything extra. It's just making sure you got somewhere to plug them up. And with this cord, I'm gonna find somewhere to fit it here in a sec, because it's a long ass cord. But either way, this is the machine. Nice heavy duty magnetic motor. Comes with their fade blade. I wish it was a little thinner, but it ain't bad. Floating lever. All right. You don't have to worry about, battery time. So we're not talking about any battery life or anything on here. Cuts through anything. Matter of fact, give me a second. We're going to change location so I can plug it up. Okay, so here we are, different location. I can turn them on, plug them up, right? So first, you see the machine. Nice heavy duty built. I mean, look at it. Chest out, standing straight up, powerful Superman stance. Nice bronze finish here. It's got a good grip. It's not too slippery, which is good. You know, some of the, like the ergos, the regular ergos, the faceplate on it was kind of, it's shiny, but it's slippery too. It don't have a good grip to me, right? Regular finish, nothing too crazy. All your power is here. All your weight is in the front. But either way, these are $74.99 on Gamma. Of course, you can save a couple dollars using Cuts by Reggie. Make sure you do that. So here's the sound. And of course, we all know that the corded clippers are always quieter than the cordless, right? So we don't even need to worry about that. How do these perform? Perform like a jewel. I mean, it was weird because I had to get used to actually cutting with a clipper that had a cord. All right. So I'm used to cutting without my cord now. So now this is going up against my leg. It feels funny. I got to move in certain directions. But when you know what you're doing, you get used to it. All right. So this clipper is one of the best clippers I've used in a long time. Okay. $75 online. It cuts through anything. I mean, that power, you can feel it. Like, I wish one of you was here to cut this on and feel that power. Nice blade from Gamma. This is definitely worth a buy. There's not too much to say because it cuts. All right. If you are still a clipper user who use the corded clippers, you don't want to have to worry about battery life or anything. This is definitely the clipper for you. This is definitely the clipper for anybody that's beginning, don't want to spend a lot of money on a cordless clipper. You don't have the funds to worry about getting new batteries from 245 and all that to make it last longer. Or you can't buy the higher end clippers or some of the higher end clippers that got the battery life of the 4 hours or 5 hours. This is your get. This is your get. You got a 10-foot cord. You can use it in traveling because you can plug it up damn near anywhere. All right. I mean, it cuts smooth. It cuts great with the grain. The only thing about this is it does get hot. And it's not unbearable, but it does get. I've said that before where clippers get hot, and I say that they don't get too hot, but you feel it sometimes. If you're using this all day, day in, day out, you will feel it, but nothing crazy. All right. This is going to be a good buy for anybody. Or if you just want an extra clipper, you're looking for a clipper to give to somebody, or, you know, just wanted to have an extra clipper on your team and don't want to spend too much money to try something out, this is definitely the one. All right. I mean, power comes with your, now, I don't like the single magnetics because I am on the double magnetics and I use the premium wall guards. So those are the only ones I'm going to use. But all that being said, if you're looking for a new clipper to get, definitely get this one. Cuts through anything, cuts down bulk great. It got that magnetic motor in there, very quiet. You don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to worry about, is it gonna die? How do it feel when it's dying? Because you got the cord. It's not going to. The only thing with cords, and I did not see on the website if they, you know, like if you're using a seniors or anything with the cord, you can buy a replacement cord. I did not see online or on their website as of now if they have replacement cords, just in case this one starts to wear thin, you're hanging it, or it starts to mess up. All right. I didn't see that, but they eventually have one. You got a while before you get that. Got the lever, the floating lever. I like floating levers better than click levers. And that's why I also like clippers where you can change it back and forth, because when I first get them, I'll use the click lever, but I like the floating lever. It just seems like you get in between different notches that I can't on the click lever. Not that they're bad, that's just my preference, all right? So long story short, I'm trying to explain everything. It's been a while since I've had a corded clipper. Like, I don't know what a lot to say about it. You don't have to worry about runtime. It's $75. Okay. Had a situation at the back door, a lot of people knocking on the back door, trying to open back door. I didn't know what was going on. It's Sunday. You don't need to come in the back door. Come through the front if you got an appointment. This person didn't have an appointment. Either way. So, all in all, the Power Ryde from Gamma. Should you buy it? Yes. $75, magnetic motor. You don't have to worry about battery life. It got the cord. Use my discount code, Cuts by Reggie, save you some money. And yeah, buy it. If you like the video, like the video. If you dislike the video, comment, share, subscribe, all the good stuff. I don't know where I left off beforehand, but hopefully I explained everything I needed to explain. Buy the Power Ryde. Just buy it. Discount code Cuts by Reggie. Peace.